Here's DogPack app, dog parks and services. So dog life made fun and easy. So you can just go and find it in here, finding the best dog parks, dog-friendly parks, and local dog business and services for your specific needs. Socializing and meeting up with new and old friends is fun and easy with DogPack. Now also find places to stay like hotels, cabins, camping spots, Airbnbs, motels, resorts. So join the community, share your best photos and videos to global or local feeds. Grow your followers and make your dog famous. Rate and review parks and businesses, and together we make the world a more dog-friendly place. So if you're a dog lover, you can just find all of these things for your dog, like dog-friendly parks, dog services, different feeds for your interests, missing dog feature, park feed, and group chat. A lot of things in here which you can just find in the app. You can just allow it, and then you can just sign in. You can also just report a lost dog in the top left button. Then there is a referral code, so you can have it here. Then you can just add a dog name. If you wanna, you can then just here, but then you can just explore the app like that. Oopsie, what? And then here you have it's like social media for dogs.
Yeah.
It's quite fun. Then you can see your map. You can see where it's being used. You can see different members. You can see profile in here, and yeah, so that's basically the idea. You can also refer friends and earn treats. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Feel free to use the code. So yeah, there you have it. That's the app. Quite advanced app. A lot of people like it, so try it out.